Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn, and today I'll show you how to factory reset or power wash your Chromebook. So I'm going to show you three different ways to power wash or reset your Chromebook, and I have the instructions right here. Just a note that when you are power washing or resetting your Chromebook, it deletes or erases everything from your Chromebook and you're going to have a brand new start. So if you have any files or anything in your Chromebook, you may want to save them first before going through the process of factory reset or power washing your Chromebook. So the first one you can do, even before logging to your Chromebook, you can do a factory reset from outside. And in order to do that, you have to press Control, Shift, Alt and R together. Then it's going to give you that option. So for example, for this Chromebook, the control button is right here, and the shift is right here, and the alt is right here, and then you have to just press the R together, which is right here. So let me just put this a little bit up so you can see those buttons. Here you can see, and again we have Control, Shift, Alt and R. So let me just put down this Chromebook. Okay, so now what happens, in order to power wash your Chromebook, you have to press these all together. So let's do that. So Control, Shift, Alt and R, and you can see that I'm getting this message asking to reset this Chromebook, and it also giving the warning that if you are power washing or resetting your Chromebook, then all user accounts and local data will be removed. So this is going to be like a brand new Chromebook. So I'm not going to power wash this Chromebook because I have lots of things in here. So I'll just cancel this, and this is going to be your first way to power wash your Chromebook. Now, the second way to power wash your Chromebook is to go to the settings, and that's what I'll show you now. So once you have your Chromebook open, or you logged into your Chromebook, so you can go to settings by pressing here where the clock is. So if you just press anywhere here, for example, let's press here, and you can see that you're going to get this menu option, and here is the wheel button, which is going to be the kind of like cogwheel right here. So if you click on it, then here it's taking you to the settings, and you're looking for advanced settings. So these are all just regular settings, and if you scroll down, scroll down, then here you're going to see that you have advanced settings option, which is right here. And then if you click on it, then it's going to give you more options, and let's scroll down, and the last option is going to be power wash. And if you just click here reset, then it's going to do a power wash of your Chromebook, and I have the instructions right here. So basically settings, advanced settings, power wash and restart, and then reset. So now a third way to do everything, you have to just go back to settings. So let's just close this one, and I'm going to open the settings again, and here we have the settings. So you don't have to actually go to advanced settings or anything. All you can do, just search here power wash. So here POWER and WASH, and if you hit enter, then you can see that it's taking you to power wash right away. So you have to just hit reset here, and then it's going to factory reset or power wash your Chromebook. For the next Chromebook tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.